遲咗10分鐘嚟，所以我哋雖然因為飛機時間褪後咗10分鐘，佢而家係準時開機㗎。
The emblem is obviously the famous right turn that aircraft have to make onto runway 13. Red represents the red tape of government bureaucracy, by which we've all been bound over the years, but somehow has made Hong Kong operate as one of the most efficient airports in the world.
啟德機場具有70幾年歷史，早期一片荒蕪。後來因為要配合香港經濟發展而不斷擴建，最後發展成為全球第3最繁忙嘅國際機場。
China Southwest. ST642.
啟德機場一直由政府民航處管理，主要負責指揮航空交通、跑道、停機坪同埋客運大樓嘅運作。但係機場搬去赤鱲角之後，民航處除咗指揮航空交通之外，其他管理全部改由機場管理局掌權。
We will continue with airworthiness of aircraft, as I say. We will continue with our aircrew licensing responsibilities. We will, of course, continue with our accident investigation responsibilities. We will continue with our air traffic control responsibilities, and this is very important. But we will also provide an overview of the activities of the Airport Authority in terms of safety matters.
除咗民航處喺啟德機場經營咗24年，享有保安專利權嘅航空護衛公司，亦都需要縮減業務範圍，員工由全盛時期嘅1900幾人減到200-300人。
We will be changing quite considerably between what we're doing here currently at Kai Tak to what we will be as Secure Air doing at CLK. The main ones will be those that are specific to aviation security, so those which are covered under international agreements, which are things such as passenger screening, baggage screening, and a lot of this security within the restricted areas which involve aircraft and various other parts, which will be transferred to the Airport Authority Company.
由怡和同太古兩大英資集團聯營，負責啟德機場運輸同行李搬運嘅港勤公司 HEADS， 亦都因為機場搬而終止37年嘅服務。
The changes will be our shareholders are 50% Swire Pacific and 50% Jardine Pacific, and those two new companies will form, or already have formed, new ground handling companies at the new airport. So our staff, or 90% of our staff, will be joining one or other of those new companies.
I'd like to welcome you to probably the last, even the last special meeting of the Special Facilitation Committee meeting here at Kai Tak.
What are the role of each stakeholder and user, and how we can cooperate to make sure that and to facilitate the relocation program.
There will be 10 loading bays in use in the curbside as from 2:30 in the afternoon. On Sunday, I'm very worried for the possible queue up that will cost into the Prince Edward Road junction.
啟德機場關閉前7日，機場服務促進委員會召開特別會議。委員會成員包括各政府部門、航空公司同各個服務單位嘅代表。佢哋為啟德機場開最後一次會議，商討同埋統籌啟德關閉嗰一日嘅安排。
Can I ask members around this table, in particular the airlines through AOC, to keep pumping out this message to the people who are flying? Get there early, make sure you've got lots of...
7月5號，啟德機場嘅最後一日， 喺啟德做咗7年嘅機場總經理 Tony Norman 開始佢最後一日嘅工作。
You can see how crowds of people are building up here to have their photographs taken. And so what we have to do is to make sure that this area is kept clear as possible, to make sure that normal departing passengers can have free access, and so that flights and their departures aren't in any way inconvenienced or congested.
機坪下面各個單位進入最後戒備狀態。
760嘅車就喺度，就車時就唔喺我度。得，一陣間你咧，你爭4點3點鐘嗰時咧，俾2個撈打你嘅，咁你就將啲架撐咧，就擺咗喺電腦機前嗰度咧。
港勤公司召回全部1800幾個員工，隨時候命。
一方面要service 啲航機啦，就另外一方面我哋要將餘下嘅工具搬上去新機場，所以係比較繁忙啲咯。
確保所有航機喺機場關閉之前全部離開，係 HAECO 飛機工程公司喺啟德嘅最後任務。
咁5點25分、30分、6點40分、7點05分、7點，即係好密啊！你睇班期都嗱7點、8點、9點，咁一路到10點幾都有機落，一路落到咁一路走咯。
咁邊啲係走？邊度去赤鱲角？邊啲係走即走啊？
全部都要去曬㗎啦，唔可以停留喺度㗎。任何一架機如果停留喺度咧，佢就要俾成即係100幾萬嘅費用啊！佢因為要揾人特別嚟 tower、control tower 嗰啲咁嘅咧，要 operate 㗎嘛。嗰個雷達頭前面嗰度咧有啲問題閂唔到，咁佢而家就搞掂咗，咁噴翻梯走。而家架機開得，應該準時開出都可以。我哋驚就係喺機場關閉之前咧，佢飛唔到嘛，驚，所以盡量趕起。機場關閉之前咧，就等佢飛走啦。
過咗7月5號，呢一種用人手執垃圾嘅方法將成為過去。
好順利嘅，係啊，冇任何阻滯嘅。咁就舊機場，咁今日最後一日都總算係順利利啦。
我哋已經開多啲 counter 啦，諗住可以有啲多啲counter 俾啲乘客早啲 check in 啦，同埋都會提啲客人做少少過移民局咁樣咯，咁可以啲機全部 on time 起飛。
Unique. There is no other airport like this in the city with the approach and the way the planes land. There's not no other airport like this in the world.
由啟德機場起飛嘅最後一班客機係國泰飛倫敦嘅 CX251 班機，離港時間晚上11點45分。
1 minute after 37 years, would you please raise your glasses when the flag starts coming down? Happy, sad moment, really. Happy that so many people have got jobs at the new airport, and sad after 37 years that we're going out of business.
啟德機場係香港嘅一個傳奇，今日繁忙景象不復在， 不過佢獨特嘅風采同驕人嘅成績，將會永遠留喺香港人嘅回憶中。